Hello guys, this is Average Trader and welcome to week 24 of our trade logging series. And this week's episode is a day late because of some New Year's plans I had. I hope you guys had a great year last year and I hope that this year goes even better, right? Just for reference guys, this year we have made here at Average Trader over 130 R, specifically 132 R in a year, which is tremendous, right? I hope that this next year is even better, so we can probably aim for 140, 150 R, but hopefully you guys are here for the ride. All right. Just a quick reminder, if you do want to see all of these trades live so that you can potentially take them or like use them as ideas or whatever, be sure to join our chat room. We're the only chat room that promises profit or you don't pay us a dime. All right, link is in the description for that, and we do this all live every single day the market is open. Other than that, let's get straight into the first trade of the week. And the first trade of the week was TCOM 3510 by 3492, and we took this off of a little breakout over here. Okay, unfortunately, this topping tail triggered us in and stopped us out immediately. Nothing we really could have done about that. It is what it is. Next trade we took, we only took a half R stop out on, was 69 by 6870. Okay, and the reason we took a half R stop on it is because we moved our stop loss actually higher beforehand, because we knew that once the stock went under like 69.80, right, it was a goner, right? So started chopping around, really didn't like that much, and we rose our stop loss just in time to only get stopped for half of an R. Next trade we took was PG 154.60 by 154.30, okay, and we got stopped on this as well. As you can see, we took this off of a 1 minute or 2 minute breakout. Okay, so triggered us right in at 154.60 and then immediately two huge red bars. Look at the 2 minute. Look at this thing, right? Massive shows of strength with these bottoming tails. You could argue that the stopping tail is a bit concerning, but after two bottoming tails, it shows a lot of strength, right? And unfortunately, markets dragged this thing lower and we got stopped out in the process. Next trade we took was Tesla 115 by 114, and we took this off of a little wedge pattern over here on the 1 minute or the 2 minute, right? Unfortunately, our stop was a bit too tight. I feel like this really did have a chance at going after 115, but after we saw the topping tail at 115, we knew pretty much it was a goner, and got stopped out on this thing as well. Next trade was Microsoft 236.60 by 236. Took this off of a 4-bar play on the 1 minute, right? Look at this beautiful push, compression, pop, rocket fuel, right, on higher, right? So this is honestly textbook pattern, right? Perfect entry, perfect stop loss, and to our very painlessly. Next trade was MU 49.80 by 49.60, and we took this off of a daily pattern, okay, or a 5 minute 3-bar play, right, depending what you wanted to do. Okay, this daily was a gap up. There's also a 1 minute breakout, right? So these are multiple time frames, right, combining together, giving us a better and better entry, right? I would think that the 5 minute 3-bar play is the most reliable one, so I'm gonna say I took this off of a 5 minute 3-bar play, but you could honestly have taken it off of anything, right? This MU was a treasure trove this day, right? With all three time frames we were looking at aligning. So crazy day for MU, and to our very painlessly. Like you can see, after it popped over 49.80, it just rocket fuel all the way up, right? So that was 2R. And that is the last trade of that week, as well as the last trade of that previous year, right? Hopefully 2023 once again brings us even better, entries, better stop losses, and more profit than last year. I'm very proud to say that we did log 132 R. But yeah, once again, if you do want to see all of these trades live, hop on over to averagetrader.live. We profit promise every single month, and it's just generally a really good community. If you have any questions or comments for me, join the Discord, right? I'm extremely active there. Otherwise, I will see you guys next week for the continuation of our trade logging series. Have a nice weekend, guys. Bye bye.